Safety Toolbox Talk number 369. Welder Safety. Welder safety is crucial due to the numerous hazards involved in welding operations. These hazards can include exposure to intense heat, ultraviolet radiation, toxic fumes, electrical shock, fire, and physical injuries. 1. Electrical safety. Inspect equipment, regularly check welding machines, cables, and connections for damage or wear. Grounding. Ensure proper grounding of all equipment. Dry working conditions. Work in dry conditions to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Avoid body contact. Do not touch live electrical parts with bare skin or wet gloves. Two. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Essential PPE for welders: welding helmet, protects eyes and face from UV/IR radiation, sparks, and spatter. Auto-darkening helmets are preferred. Safety goggles/glasses, worn under the helmet for eye protection from particles when not welding. Welding gloves, heat-resistant, insulated gloves made of leather. Flame-resistant clothing, cotton or specially treated clothing that resists ignition. Avoid synthetic fabrics. Apron or welding jacket, leather or heavy-duty material protects torso and arms. Boots, steel-toe, high-ankle boots, ideally with metatarsal protection and non-slip soles. Ear protection, earplugs or earmuffs to protect from noise and spatter entry. Three. Fume and gas exposure. Hazardous fumes may include metal oxides, e.g. zinc, chromium, nickel. Ozone, nitrogen oxides. Carbon monoxide. Shielding gases, argon, helium, CO2, can displace oxygen. Controls, ventilation, use local exhaust ventilation or fume extraction systems. Respiratory protection, use respirators when ventilation is inadequate. Positioning, keep head out of the fume plume. Four. Fire and explosion hazards. Flammable materials, remove or shield combustible materials within 35 feet. Fire watch, assign a fire watch if hot work is performed in hazardous areas. Sparks and spatter, use welding curtains and blankets to contain sparks. Compressed gas safety, store and handle gas cylinders properly, upright, secured, capped when not in use. Five. Eye and skin protection. Arc flash, caused by intense UV radiation, can result in welder's flash, painful eye condition. Prevention, always use properly shaded helmets and screens. Skin burns, UV radiation can cause severe sunburn-like injuries, cover all exposed skin. 6. Machine and equipment safety. Shut down properly, always turn off and unplug equipment when not in use. Maintenance, perform regular checks and maintenance. Tool safety, use the right tools for the job and ensure they are in good condition. Seven. Safe work practices. Training, only trained and certified individuals should perform welding. Hot work permits, required in many workplaces before welding outside designated areas. Housekeeping, keep work area clean and free from trip hazards and flammables. Labeling and signage, Use signs to warn others about welding areas and hazards. First aid. Know the location of first aid kits and fire extinguishers. 8. Regulatory compliance. OSHA standards, US 29 CFR 1910 Subpart Q, General Industry. 29 CFR 1926 Subpart J, Construction. ANSI Z 49.1, Safety in Welding, Cutting, and Allied Processes. NFPA 51B, Standard for Fire Prevention during Welding, Cutting, and other hot work. Thank you.